કરિયર કાઉન્સિલિંગ. આજકાલ વિદ્યાર્થીઓના મનમાં આ પ્રશ્ન ઉઠે છે કે હવે શું કરવું? તો ચાલો આ સવાલનો જવાબ શોધીએ. પોતાના કેરિયર વિશે નેહા થોડી ચિંતિત છે. તેનો ભાઈ રાજ તેને સમજાવી રહ્યો છે અને સલાહ આપી રહ્યો છે.
Hi Sneha.
Hi.
What happened? You look a bit depressed.
Nothing. I'm fine.
Come on, what happened?
I'm just worried about my career.
Why? You have excellent ranking in HSC and CAT. What's the problem?
I just don't know what to do.
Okay, let me help you. You look a bit confused, isn't it? Don't worry, nothing will happen. I remember you told me you wanted to be an engineer, isn't it?
Yes.
Which trend in engineering will you select?
I like computers and programming.
That's it. You should select IT. Is there any problem in admission?
No. With the ranks I got, I can easily get into VJTI. But my ambition is to work for Microsoft.
Then the knowledge you will get in engineering college is not enough. You need to do the latest computer course along with it. 4 years of engineering college and the computer course along with it. Then it will work.
But how will I get time from college?
It is difficult but not impossible. You will have to sacrifice your enjoyment time for this. Everything is not free of cost.
Do you think this will help me?
Certainly. Private short-term courses are up to date. And when you pass out, you will have both a reputed engineering degree and knowledge and certificate in latest IT trends.
Thanks, brother. I'm quite out of tension now.
You can also do some part-time job in your IT sector. You won't be able to do that when your college is going on, but you can do it in your vacations. This will add to your experience.
Can you help me in this matter?
Yeah, sure. I will definitely talk to one of my friends. He is the owner of one of the IT development companies.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Now cheer up. We'll go for a treat. Remember, you owe me a treat for your results.
Definitely. Let's go.
Let's go.
લાઇબ્રેરી, પુસ્તકાલય. કોલેજના પુસ્તકાલયની પુસ્તક પાછી આપવામાં તમે તો ખૂબ મોડું કરી દીધું. તો હવે જોઈએ તમે કઈ રીતે વાત કરો છો. મેઘા કોલેજના વાચનાલયમાં પુસ્તક પાછી આપવા આવી છે, પણ મોડી આવવાથી તેને દંડ ભરવો પડશે. આ જ વિષયમાં તે વાતચીત કરી રહી છે.
Ma'am, I'm here to return a book.
Okay. You are late by full 3 weeks.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but this book was very important. It is not easily available, and so I kept it for studying.
This is not correct. Many students have queued for this book. They also want to study. What you have done is a selfish job.
I'm really sorry, ma'am, but I needed this book, so...
You could have xeroxed and returned.
Oh, that did not strike me. But I'll take care of it next time.
It's okay. But now you have to pay fine. It's 3 weeks late. Now you have to pay rupees 210 as late fee.
Please, ma'am, please give me some concession.
No way. You have to pay the fine for your negligence. Otherwise, I have to cancel your card and complain to the principal.
Okay, ma'am, I will.
Okay. Submit your book, pay fine at cash counter, and take away your library card.
Okay, ma'am, I will. Is there a telecommunications book?
Sorry, it's already issued. You have to put a claim first. Fill in the claim form.
Oh, please don't. I'll pay the fine, ma'am.
Okay. Now pay the fine and take back your cards.
Thank you, ma'am.